Vain as it sounds, maybe y'all will write a little bit more like me, a bit more like a GP teacher. It's not just like brute force, just like I write, I suffer 1 hour 30 minutes just but I don't know what I'm training, I don't know what I'm doing is right or wrong. We'll first go through the Tiako framework. This is a methodology for basically dissecting, unpacking question requirements. And the way that he explained it was, the only reason people are asking this, like we should always trust the expert, is because what has changed about the media landscape these days. Suddenly this becomes a worthwhile question to ask. Everybody knows PEEL, but how do we actually write a good explanation as opposed to a merely okay, a merely adequate explanation, etc. You can therefore classify them as I'm going to call it a responsibility question. It's not just asking is something good or bad, it says something is good, but whose job is it to promote it? A bit more abstract, a bit more general. This is relevant in the context of a globalized kind of era where travel even becomes a thing. If you even want to put it under something like lifestyle, maybe there's relevance as well. The formula, the 3-part structure of a good intro, you need to do 3 things in your intro. First,